Hello there, welcome back to our channel, and today I'll be teaching you the months of the year. In Shona it's Mwezi Yegore. Okay, let's get started. So the first month, as we all know, is January. In Shona, Ndira. Ndira. February. In Shona, Kukadzi. Kukadzi. March. Kurume. Kurume. April. Kubvumbi. Kubvumbi. May. Chivabvu. Chivabvu. June. Chikumi. Chikumi. July. Chikunguru. Chikunguru. August. Nyamavuvu. Nyamavuvu. September. Gunyana. Gunyana. October. Gumiguru. Gumiguru. November. Mbudzi. Mbudzi. And lastly, December. In Shona, Zita. Zita. And yes, this brings us to the end of our short video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thank you. Tatenda.